Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing keyboard settings, how to configure Gboard, how to install and activate new keyboard. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. First go to settings, select the settings icon, then go to system, go down and select keyboard. So here we can see current keyboard, select it, you can see current keyboard is Gboard. Let me go to Gboard settings, select it, and here we can change keyboard language. Go to languages. Okay, then you can see the first option, use system languages. If you select it, the keyboard will use the language of the system. So right now language of the system is English UK, so keyboard also in English. Okay, so if you want to add multiple languages to keyboard, first we have to disable this use system languages. We have to disable it. Done. Now from this list we can add multiple languages to the keyboard. So for now let me add one language. So let me select Hindi from the list. Okay, done. Then go back. So now we can see two languages, English UK and Hindi. Let me test it. Go to home screen, then go to the search field. So now here we can see the keyboard. Go to here we can see keyboard language select button. Set it. See, you can see keyboard language has changed to Hindi. Using this language switch button, we can switch the keyboard language. Okay, so this way we can add multiple languages to keyboard. Let me go back to keyboard settings. Go to settings, system, keyboard. Then let me go to manage keyboards. Here we can see multiple keyboards. From this list you can see this is a keyboard which I installed from Google Play Store. You can just search this name in the Play Store, then install it. Okay, so first I am going to enable this keyboard here. Done. After that, go back, go to current keyboard. Now here we can see two keyboards. Right now I am using Gboard. Let me change that to Lane Key keyboard. Let me activate Lane Key keyboard. Done. Let me test it. Go to home screen. Again go to search. Open the keyboard. Say this is a new keyboard. Okay. So these are the keyboard settings. So we learned how to change keyboard language and how to install and activate a new keyboard. Okay, so please check it.